If you're shopping for a used SUV with a budget under $15,000, choosing the right model matters more than ever. The difference between a smart purchase and an expensive mistake often comes down to long-term reliability, ownership costs, and how well the vehicle has been maintained. There are plenty of used SUVs available under $15,000, but not all of them offer the same long-term ownership experience. Some are known for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with proper maintenance, while others can become expensive to own as they age. For this list, we didn't just look at popularity. We focused on SUVs with proven reliability, reasonable ownership costs, strong resale value, and a history of holding up well over time. Qualities that matter most when you're buying used. Whether you're looking for a sporty compact SUV, a practical daily driver, or a spacious family vehicle, you'll find an option here that's well worth considering. Here are the best used SUVs under $15,000 worth buying. Number 4. Mazda CX-5, 2015 to 2017 models. Starting off our list is the 2015 to 2017 Mazda CX-5. If you're looking for a used SUV that's more enjoyable to drive than most competitors, this one deserves a serious look. These model years stand out for offering one of the most engaging driving experiences in the compact SUV segment. The steering feels precise, the suspension is well balanced, and the cabin has a premium feel that's surprisingly refined for its price range. Under the hood, Mazda's naturally aspirated Skyactiv G engine, paired with a conventional automatic transmission, has earned a strong reputation for long-term durability, while avoiding many of the expensive issues commonly associated with turbocharged engines. The interior is another highlight. Soft touch materials, supportive seats, and a clean dashboard design give the CX-5 a more upscale feel than many rivals in this price range. Despite its sporty personality, it still offers enough cargo space and competitive fuel economy for daily commuting, family errands, and weekend road trips. Before buying, look for a complete maintenance history and pay close attention to the suspension, as worn bushings or shocks can reduce the responsive handling that makes the CX-5 stand out. Also inspect the brakes and tires, especially on higher mileage examples. If you want a compact SUV that's genuinely enjoyable to drive without sacrificing reliability, comfort, or reasonable ownership costs, the 2015 to 2017 Mazda CX-5 offers a level of refinement and handling that's difficult to match at this price point. Number 3. Honda CR-V, 2015 to 2018 models. Coming in at number 3 is the 2015 to 2018 Honda CR-V. If practicality is your top priority, it's hard to find a compact SUV that does everyday life better than the CR-V. More than just dependable, it's the kind of vehicle that quietly excels at everything most owners need. One of its biggest strengths is interior space. The CR-V offers generous rear seat legroom, excellent outward visibility, and one of the largest cargo areas in the compact SUV segment. Under the hood, Honda's proven 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission, delivers smooth performance, excellent fuel economy, and low ownership costs when properly maintained. Inside, everything is designed with simplicity and convenience in mind. The controls are easy to use, the seats stay comfortable on long drives, and there's plenty of storage for everyday items. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or taking a family road trip, the CR-V handles each task with ease. Its reputation for practicality is one of the biggest reasons it continues to be a favorite among used SUV buyers. Before buying, review the maintenance records carefully and confirm that the CVT fluid has been changed at the recommended intervals. Also, inspect the suspension and brakes, particularly on higher mileage vehicles that have spent years in daily commuter duty. A well-maintained CR-V can easily provide many more years of reliable transportation. If you're looking for a compact SUV that's exceptionally practical, economical to own, and easy to live with every single day, the 2015 to 2018 Honda CR-V remains one of the smartest choices under $15,000. Number 2. Toyota Highlander, 2013 to 2014 models. Taking the runner-up spot is the 2013 to 2014 Toyota Highlander. If your family has outgrown a compact SUV, but you still want something that's built to last, The Highlander is one of the smartest upgrades you can make under $15,000. It combines the space and versatility of a midsize SUV with the long-term dependability Toyota is known for. One of the Highlander's biggest strengths is its ability to handle just about any family duty with ease. Available 3-row seating, a spacious cargo area, and a quiet, comfortable cabin make it equally well-suited for school drop-offs, weekend getaways, and long road trips. Whether you choose the fuel-efficient 2.7-liter 4-cylinder or the more capable 3.5-liter V6, both engines are paired with a conventional automatic transmission that's earned an excellent reputation for long-term durability. Comfort is another area where the Highlander stands out. The ride is smooth, the seating position is comfortable for long hours behind the wheel, and the cabin is designed with everyday family use in mind. It's the kind of SUV that doesn't try to be sporty or flashy. It simply focuses on doing everything well, while providing the extra space many buyers eventually need. Before buying, inspect the suspension for signs of wear, check underneath the vehicle for any fluid leaks, and confirm that routine maintenance has been performed on schedule. If you're considering an all-wheel drive model, it's also worth checking that the drivetrain has been properly serviced over the years. A well-documented service history is especially valuable on higher mileage examples. If your priority is a dependable family SUV with generous passenger space, excellent versatility, and the ability to serve your family for many years, the 2013 to 2014 Toyota Highlander remains one of the best values you'll find under $15,000. Number 1. Toyota RAV4 2014 to 2016 models. Taking the top spot is the 2014 to 2016 Toyota RAV4. If you're looking for one used SUV that does almost everything well, without bringing unnecessary ownership headaches, this is the one to beat. For most buyers shopping under $15,000, it offers the best overall balance of durability, affordability, practicality, and long-term value. Under the hood is Toyota's proven 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission, a combination that's built one of the strongest reliability reputations in the compact SUV segment. With routine maintenance, it's not unusual to find well-cared-for examples still running strong, well beyond 200,000 miles, making the RAV4 a vehicle many owners keep for years rather than replace. The RAV4 also excels at everyday usability. It offers comfortable seating, a spacious cargo area, and predictable handling that makes it easy to drive. Whether you're commuting to work, taking the family on a road trip, or simply running errands around town, its excellent fuel economy, widely available replacement parts, and generally low maintenance costs all contribute to an ownership experience that's both affordable and stress-free. Before buying, review the maintenance records carefully, inspect the suspension and brakes, and look closely for any signs of previous accident repairs or neglected maintenance. Since the RAV4 has been one of America's best-selling SUVs for years, taking the time to find a well-maintained example is far more important than choosing the one with the lowest mileage. If you want a used SUV that asks for very little, delivers consistent reliability, and fits almost any lifestyle, the 2014 to 2016 Toyota RAV4 remains the best all-around choice under $15,000. Smart buying tips. What really matters. Before you make your final decision, remember that choosing the right model is only half the equation. The condition of the individual vehicle is just as important. Even the most reliable SUV can become an expensive mistake if it hasn't been properly maintained. That's why service records matter so much. Look for evidence of regular oil changes, scheduled maintenance, and major repairs that were completed on time. A well-documented maintenance history often tells you far more about a vehicle than its mileage alone. It's also worth taking a close look at common wear items like the brakes, tires, suspension, and fluid condition. These aren't necessarily signs of an unreliable SUV, but they can quickly add unexpected costs after you buy the vehicle. Whenever possible, invest in a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. Spending a few $100s before you buy can save you thousands in repairs later. The best used SUV isn't always the cheapest one on the market. It's the one that's been properly cared for and priced fairly for its condition. Buying a used SUV doesn't have to be a risky decision. When you choose a model with a proven track record and take the time to inspect its condition, You can find a vehicle that provides years of dependable service, whether you choose the Mazda CX-5, Honda CR-V, Toyota Highlander, or Toyota RAV4. Each of these SUVs offers strong value under the $15,000 price range. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Used Car Guide for more videos covering the best used cars, buying tips, and vehicles worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.